And now that we've selected which type of model we want to build, whether it be time series forecasting or classification or regression, and we've created a new project in the Sweat AI platform, there's really three main steps in AI or machine learning development that I wanted to cover in this video. The first is connecting to a data source. The second is preparing the data, getting it ready for modeling. And then the third is actually training different models on your historical data to learn which features are the most important so it can make accurate predictions going forward. So let's look at a sample workflow here. And this is the one we're going to be building using the upcoming videos. The first step is the data source. So you can't build a model without connecting to a data source. And we'll cover this more in another video. But if you click on data source here, you'll see there's all these different options. You can connect to a flat file like a CSV or an Excel file. You can connect to a data warehouse like Databricks or Snowflake, or you can connect to an API like a REST API or a MongoDB Atlas API. So those are just a few of the examples of ways you can connect to your data. And then once you have your data set and you preview it, you might find that there are certain things that need to be fixed. So you might have some missing values that you want to impute with nulls. You might have some columns that are in the wrong format that you want to convert. You might have, for example, daily historical data, but you want to forecast weekly or monthly, so you need to downsample your data. So these are all examples of data prep nodes. And if you click up here on data prep, you'll see these are all the options that you can select from. And then once you get your data in a format that's ready to be modeled, then your last step is you can either click on the plus sign down here, or you can click on model training up here. And these are all the models specific to your type of model that you chose. So if you chose time series forecasting, these are the available models to choose from. If you had chosen classification, you'd have a different set of models listed. And if you had chosen regression, you'd have a different set of models listed. But these are the three main steps in building any machine learning or AI platform. First, you connect to a data source, then you prepare your data, and then you add one or more different models to train to figure out which features or columns are most important when it comes to predicting your target or the variable that you're trying to predict or forecast going forward. And we'll get into more specifics on these in the upcoming videos.